Ka Sorkar Jela ka Kyntiew ya ka Jingmang Pisa ya ka Gswsp Phase 3 sa Kumba Laisha wat hadin balak penslem ban penteri kam ya ka ke projek na kaliang kehima mau pelang dangshen kala ai ya ka no objection certificate sya katnat PHE na pentaki kam ban maramot habaya day bat ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. Halol kene Menteri Ketenat PHE Marcos Marak ulaong ba ke Kyntiew ya ke Jingmang Pisa ke Balai Shah mentah ki kontraktor keladon kemon bantrei no ya kene ke projek.
Yes, I'm very glad to say that Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme has kicked off because we have received the NOC from the Hima Mopla and we are starting the works now. So once this phase 3 is commissioned, I think most of the issues in Shillong city will be addressed.
How long it will take now for the completion?
It will take some time because there are different components of work which needs to be completed. Others are completing almost. So basically the pumping station has to be constructed there. So it will take some time.
So, is there any cost escalation due to the delay?
Yes, we have enhanced the actual estimate which was prepared long time back. We have enhanced it for 3 consecutive times because of this delay. So therefore now with the third enhancement, even the companies and contractors are also willing to work.
So how much is the current cost?
I don't have the exact figure with me right now, but we have enhanced for the third time.
So, are you giving any deadline to the?
Definitely, we will, make sure that the work completes very early.
So, within how many years? You want to finish?
It should not take years. I think by next, the thing will be able to. We are trying our level best to complete next. Hopefully, before the next monsoon, we are trying our level best.